Today in front of me I have DOOGEE V Max, and in this video I will show how you can confirm its authenticity. So firstly, make sure that you have the phone and its packaging near. Then launch the settings. Then go for the About Phone category over here. Onwards tap at the model. And the serial number is the, spec that we are currently interested in. After that, take the box or the packaging that this phone came in, and it should have the following sticker at its back. And at the sticker, you gotta find the SN spec or the serial number and compare this one and that one. And as long as those two correspond, you are 100% golden to know that you are indeed an owner of an original DOOGEE V Max. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.